Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Spotlight not working on Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. What you have to do is, first of all, I will show you what the Spotlight is. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Personalization tab on the left hand side. In the right pane, select background and change it from picture to spotlight. And you will notice that picture changes and this will keep changing every day. But interestingly, these wallpapers do not have a local storage. They are picked from the internet, which means the internet connection should also be good enough. So go to fast.com and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then we can proceed further. Next solution is to disable metered connection. I will show you how it's done. So right click on the start button again and select settings. On the menu, go to the network and internet on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on data usage and click on remove limit and click on remove. So once the limit is removed, you will be able to change the needful. The last solution is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings. This time go for this time and language. In the right pane, select date and time. Make sure that the time zone is correct and then make sure that set time automatically checked. Click on sync now. And that's pretty much it. That's how to fix Windows Spotlight not working on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.